Hey guys, welcome back. So this is pretty much part two of the video. So on the first one, I took this image and transferred it onto this piece of wood. This is one of my paintings that I did a couple of years ago, and that's one of the things I've been wondering and trying to figure out how to take some of my artwork that I've done on canvases and then transfer it onto like pieces of wood or even other canvases of different sizes. And not only that, but using some of my digital artwork. A lot of the videos that I've seen out there, people are transferring photos, so it's like family photos or even images of other things that doesn't look like it's actually their artwork. I'm sure there's people out there that have done it. I just personally haven't seen it, but I wanted to do my paintings like this or some of my digital logos and artwork, and then transfer it onto, like I said, a canvas or a piece of wood. So with this one, as you may have recalled, and if you haven't watched it, take a look at it. You're supposed to wait about a day once you transfer or you put the Mod Podge down and then the image down and press it and all that. You're supposed to let it dry for about a day. I didn't do that since it was my first time. I wanted to experiment and just kind of see if it really worked. So what I did is I let it sit in front of a fan for about an hour, and it still looks pretty cool. I mean, it bled. So there's a couple of things I can do. I can do either a wash, to kind of blend it in and kind of look symmetrical to the other side, or I can probably sand some of this stuff down. I can still see some residue from the paper, so that's one of the things I really don't like. And I've seen people use a different type of paper and it peels off. So I didn't have that handy, so I just wanted to try just a regular standard printing paper. So for this video, what I'm gonna do is transfer this one, but I'm gonna let it wait. I'm gonna let it sit and dry for about a day, and then try and see what happens with that one. Just remember to flip the image, because once you put it down, like you can see it, so it says keep Austin weird. So you want to make sure that when you print it out, you flip it, so when you transfer it over, it doesn't transfer like this, because then it's pretty pointless. So anyways, let's get started. So take some of this. This is the only Mod Podge that I have. I've seen people use different ones. So let's do this. All right, so it's been almost 24 hours. It's completely dry now. Now I can tell, just like I had mentioned yesterday, that some of the colors looks like they bled, and it's probably because of using the Inkjet printer as opposed to the laser printer. But I don't have a laser printer, and I just wanted to experiment and try it out. Might as well try it out now, since this is my second time doing it, just to see. And then obviously as you keep practicing, you get better at it. And last night I ended up going to Michael's and picked up some other pieces. I guess I got this from Michael's, this piece, because there were some similar ones. But I grabbed a couple of different shapes, and I'll keep practicing, and I'll definitely make some videos, and hopefully either going to a place where they have a laser laser printer, and then eventually investing in one. It all depends. But anyway, so let's get started. Let's wet this one and see what happened. So I'm gonna let it dry some and then remove some of these little particles, and there's still a few more, but it looks pretty cool. Like I said, it looks kind of like a grungy, distress. So it's actually really cool. And like some of these areas, I can probably sand down or use some kind of wash, just to, if I don't really care for it. But so far, it's not bad. Just got to keep experimenting with it. Like I said, I bought some more pieces, so I'll create some videos and go from there. Thanks. Just remember to subscribe to my channel, support, help support my channel, like it, and like I said, I'll create some more videos. Thanks, guys.